Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reframe the soundscape on the Endel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select a session by tapping on one of these scenarios, or you can select a soundscape of your preferences by tapping on the relevant one. Then if you feel like that you would like to reframe it, all you have to do is tapping on the icon down below, which is the second one next to the play button. So now, as you can see, the system is reframing the soundscape, so another soundscape will be played to you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.